Have you ever wondered about the incredible journey of life before birth? From a single cell to a fully formed baby, it's a 9-month marathon of amazing transformations. Today, let's explore this miracle month by month. It all starts in the first month. After fertilization, a tiny group of cells, called a zygote, travels to the uterus and implants itself. This little cluster is already a powerhouse, with cells dividing rapidly. By the end of this month, the basic structures for the brain, spinal cord, and heart are already forming. In fact, a tiny heart begins to beat, often as early as 3 weeks after conception. It's smaller than a grain of rice, but the journey of life has officially begun. Moving into month 2, things really start taking shape. The embryo is now about the size of a kidney bean. Tiny buds that will become arms and legs appear. Facial features like eyes, a nose, and a mouth start to form. The major organs, including the liver, kidneys, and lungs, are all in their early stages of development. It's a busy month of construction, laying the groundwork for everything to come. By month 3, your little one is officially called a fetus. It's about the size of a lime and is starting to look more like a tiny human. Fingers and toes are now distinct, complete with tiny fingernails. The fetus can even open and close its fists and mouth. Although you can't feel it yet, it's already moving around, kicking and stretching in its cozy, watery world. The critical development of the first trimester is nearly complete. Welcome to the second trimester. In month 4, the fetus grows rapidly, doubling its size. It's now about as long as your hand. The skeleton begins to harden from soft cartilage into bone, and you might even see a thumb-sucking baby on an ultrasound. The nervous system is also maturing, allowing the fetus's facial muscles to try out different expressions like squinting and frowning. Month 5 is often a favorite for expecting parents because they might feel the baby move for the first time. These little flutters are called quickening. The fetus is also developing its senses. Taste buds are forming, and it might be able to hear sounds from the outside world, like your voice. Hair is beginning to sprout on the head, and a fine downy hair called lanugo covers the body, keeping it warm. By month 6, the fetus is about the size of an ear of corn. Its skin is reddish and wrinkled, and the eyes can now open and close. The lungs are developing special air sacs, getting ready for that first breath of air. The baby's response to sound becomes more pronounced, and it might even jump at a loud noise. This is a period of major growth and refinement. Now we enter the third and final trimester. In month 7, the fetus is gaining weight and fat, which will help regulate its body temperature after birth. It's practicing breathing by moving its diaphragm, even though it's still breathing amniotic fluid. The developing brain can now control rhythmic breathing and body temperature. In month 8, the baby continues to mature and put on weight. The brain is developing at an incredible pace, forming billions of neurons. Most of the internal organs are well developed, except for the lungs, which are still maturing. The fetus is likely settling into a head-down position, getting ready for the big day. Finally, month 9 arrives. The fetus is now considered flitum. It's about the size of a small pumpkin. The fine lanugo hair has mostly disappeared, and the lungs are typically mature and ready to function on their own. The baby continues to add fat, getting plump and ready for life outside the womb. From here, it's just a waiting game for labor to begin. From a single cell to a unique individual ready to greet the world. The journey of fetal development is truly one of nature's greatest wonders. It's a powerful reminder of the delicate and complex process of life. Thanks so much for joining me on this incredible journey. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories about science and life. See you in the next video.